Good morning, Biafrans. Good afternoon and good evening. I greet you according to your time zone. It is very important that I address this message that has been trending. In fact, it's going viral. The message that was issued by the Northern Elders Forum, the Arewa. They want Igbos to go, and they want Igbos to go peacefully. I don't have a problem with that. Everybody knows that Igbos want to go. So when they say if their leaders support, whose leaders? Igbo leaders. If you're talking about the Ohanezes and the governors, senators, and the members of the House of Reps, if these are the ones you are calling of leaders, then you should know better. They are not the Igbo leaders. These are Fulanis appointed leaders in Igbo land. These are the ones we call the